welcome to Sweet Dreams. So I'm Lena Harris, you all know that. And today I'm here with a craft with ice cream tin. You can use any tin you have. So this is a craft. I just tried it in my home. So I'm using an ice cream tin. It's really simple. Everyone can try it in their home. So the things and materials needed for this is an ice cream tin, as told. Then any paint you have. I used red over here, but in this I'm using green. Then we can use white paint to give it over here. Then you can have a sponge, a scissors and a lace. We need scissors to cut the lace into the correct size we need, and some pearls and a brush. That's all needed. So let's go to the video. So guys, I'm going to paint the lid of the ice cream tin. So let's go. So I'm going to paint. So I made the color on the sponge and I'm going to paint it here. It's good to start from a side. It's good to give two layers because it's having it's so light color, and it's we can see it's written the ice cream name. So guys, I finished painting the middle part, and it's so hard to paint the sides of the lid with the sponge, so I'm using the brush right now. I'm taking a little paint on the brush and painting the sides. You can paint wherever it's hard for you to paint with the sponge. You can use the brush. So guys, I finished painting over here, but it was really hard for me to paint on this side. So I took this sponge, I kept it like this, then did this in paint, and I did like this, so it was so easy. And we don't need to overcoat this because we are going to put it like this. So it's not necessary to overcoat this because this part is not going to be seen. We are going to put the ice cream tin on this. It's going to be like this. So that part is not seen, so we don't need to overcoat anyway. So this is over. So while we wait for this to dry, we can paint the rest of it. So now I'm going to paint this. So right now I'm going to paint this. So I made the paint on it, and now I'm going to start painting over here. So guys, I painted it fully, and after this is dried, we have to overcoat. So before that, over here I didn't paint. You guys might be guessing why. If you want, you can paint over here because we are putting the lace and it's net, so it can be seen through it. So I'm going to give their white color paint, so it's not so bad. Over here also I'm giving white color. Over here I give white. So the same thing I'm going to do to this also. Over here also I'm going to give white and put the lace. So let's wait for this to dry. So guys, I finished coating 2 layers over here. You can see. So it's not even seen the the ice cream tins advertisement is not seen on it. So now I'm going to paint over here white. I told you in the intro itself I'll be painting white. So I'm going to open it. So I'm going to paint it. So I'm going to paint a little white over here till here only, till here I'll be painting white. So now I'm going to paint inside. So guys, I finished painting over here. After this is dried, we can decorate it. You can see over here I finished. So after this is dried, we can decorate with beads and lace. So guys, I finished painting and now I'm going to put the lace. This is the lace. First I have to check how much is needed. So first I'll be just putting the lace over here. And we have to give extra 1 inch. So over here, I'll put till here extra this much. This much is needed. This much. So now I'm going to cut it. Okay, so I did. So I finished cutting. Now I'm going to put it. I'm using Fairy Bonds glue. You can use any glue you have. I think this is more simple for me, and you can. It's up to you. It's not important to use Fairy Bond glue. So I'm going to put the lace over here right now. First, we'll just do a line like over here. We'll put a line over here. And this is really sticky. It's a bit hard. So who doesn't have experience, it's going to be hard for them. When I used this first, it was really hard. Now I'm used to it. So now it's okay. So guys, I'm sticking it right now. So the paint is not dried properly, it's just a little dry. It's already dried but still it's a bit sticky, so it's really a little hard for me. So I put a half glue and I have to put here also glue and stick it. I'm going to stick the rest. So now we have to wait for this to dry. So let it dry. So I'm going to wait for this to dry. So guys, now I'm going to stick these. So I have glue. I'm using the same glue, Fairy Bond. So you just need to put a dot over there. Then we can put any bead. If you want, you can put by having gaps. If you want, you can put without gaps. I don't know what I'm doing. I have little beads, so I'll be doing without gaps. You can do it according to your ideas. So guys, I finished putting the beads and now you can see a design where I put. It's like another design. It's with 2 colors. And after this we have to put holes under. Then after that we can put sand and put a plant in. So that's it. So now I'm going to put holes. So guys, I already put some holes over here. There's some holes over here. So now I'm going to put sand in them. So now I'm going to put. I put all the sand in it. So I'm going to put a plant now. I already put sand. So this is the plant. I'm putting the same lucky bamboo. The baby of this lucky bamboo. So guys, if you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon and comment, and I'm replying to all your comments. You might be knowing, and I'm liking, so don't forget to comment. So bye.